Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see on my table there are so many makeup items. So don't worry, I'm not going to tell you any makeup tutorial. I have come up with a very new idea in which I'll be using only makeup to make a coaster. As you can see there are so many things lying around on my table like nail polish, it's a foundation from Lakme. These are all the things which I don't use anymore, and this I got for the nail art. I don't have any nails anymore because I have bitten them. So I thought of using it in resin. These are beautiful glitters, and there are various forms of glitters actually, and I really love this. Some are missing because I think they're broken or lost. This is a palette which I don't use because it's broken, and the quality is not that great because I got the cheaper one. So you can get the cheaper makeup and use it in resin. So this is a combination of blush, highlighter, contour and bronzer. So you can get a lot of colors from this palette. Also I've got another thing for nails. You can see I got this actually for to use it in my shakers. It looks absolutely beautiful, so I thought of showing it to you guys. And this is an eyeliner. It's an old eyeliner which I don't use it anymore. And again, nail paints, so many of different colors. So these are actually old and I don't use them anymore. I thought of coming up with a tutorial in which I'll be using this makeup as a colorant in resin. Actually when I was initially starting with resin art, I did not have many colors, to be honest. So I bought cheap makeup to use as a colorant, and it actually works. So I wanted to show it to you all. You don't need expensive material or colors to make any art. You can use anything, just be creative and you're good to go. I was just mixing the resin. Let me wear gloves. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to show you, that's why I took off my gloves. I'll just wear it in a minute. So I was just mixing the resin. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom. You have to mix it for 3 to 5 minutes. Please do not be lazy in this part because it might spoil your art. So please mix it properly. So just mix it slowly. Give it a nice time to it. So I thought of using browns because I've got a lot of browns and golds here. So I'll just open this and I'll use this broken one. Just make it in a powder form first so that it can get mixed properly in the resin. I've got a more flexible stick. As you can see, how beautiful color is this, and nobody can make out that this is not mica powder but this is contour powder. You can see it is so beautiful. If you can see, wow, it is looking like a chocolate actually. Okay, so this is done. Another color which I'll take is this brown. It's a nail paint. Nice, pretty color. Okay, next I'll be taking this foundation. It's very new because I have never used it, but I thought of using it and try it for you all. Let's see. Okay, now next I might take gold. Let's take gold. Very pretty. See how pretty this looks. The color is so nice. Okay, I'll add a bit of glitter in this brown. Which one? This one, this one, this one, this one. Let's create something. I'm so excited. It is something so new to me. Okay, let's pour. and this is completely out of my comfort zone. I have never created something like this before. This is the first time I'm creating. Let's see how this turns out. I hope it should be good. You're not restricted with colors, so whatever colors you have, you can use those colors. So this is just an example which I'm showing and how this works, just to let you know that you can use makeup also as coloring, because I have told you in many of my videos that you can use makeup like nail paints, maybe lipstick also, the liquid ones, but I don't have any right now. The spare ones which I can use. I don't want to use the ones which I wear. The foundation one is really nice. Now we can clean it. Wow, pretty good. I think cool, looking nice. It is looking gorgeous, gorgeous. See, so nice. I love it. This is the first time I'm using these types of colors, and I think they look absolutely beautiful together. Please let me know if you have liked my experiment. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye bye.